How to add photo and video together on Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add photo and video together in an Instagram story. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the Instagram app and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the plus icon shown in the bottom center of the screen. And after that, simply tap on the story tab shown in the bottom. Now from there you can simply scroll up from the down, and once you have done that, simply tap on the two overlapping boxes to choose videos and photos at once. And after that you can simply select the photos and videos for it. For this video I'm gonna simply do that. And once you're done selecting them, simply tap on the next button shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And after that, in the new tab, you can simply edit your story. You can add music if you want, you can mention someone, you can choose stickers, text, and many other things. And once you're done with that, you can simply tap on the next button shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And after that, you can simply tap on share. And after that, tap on done. And that's it. That's how you can add photo and video together on Instagram story. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.